So I was on Instagram and I saw an R1 posted by Moto America. Between the fairings, you could see something wrapped in gold, and I immediately thought it was the airbox wrapped in gold heat reflectant tape. I've done it on my 350Z and my Jeep for fun, so I thought that'd be a super fun mod to do on the R6. So let's wrap this thing in gold. So for the before and after, Art's gonna hook up his scan tool. We're gonna do an ambient air temperature. The bike's been sitting for 4 hours. We're gonna start it up, let it idle. We'll check the temp at 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I'll do a lap around the freeway, check it when I get back, let it still sit for 5 more minutes after I get back to let heat soak happen. And then we'll check the temperature then. Then we'll do the same thing after we wrap the whole thing in gold. Let's get it done. Personal delivery from Snap-on. Are we really about to go in a Snap-on truck?
Bro.
Dude, this is sick. Kid in a candy shop in here.
This is what he wants. This is what the whole...
That's the $2,000 one?
Yeah. I
Cheers with the Snap-on guy. Let's go.
Oh, this is probably from today.
Oh, it it tells you I stalled?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, air intake temp. It's still at 86? Ambient, so we're gonna start ambient airbox temp, 86. Check that thing out. We're at 3 minutes, and it's still at 82, 82.4. It's gone down.
You thought it was gonna go up, huh?
Yeah.
Me too.
5 minutes. It is unchanged. So after a 10-minute ride, that's good. It went up.
Okay.
So we're at 89.6. It's at 89.6 Fahrenheit after a 10-minute ride, and then idling for 5 minutes after that ride.
Toasty.
It is toasty.
Don't drop your tank.
Yep. 92. Oh, I gotta get that crisp.
Slow down.
Another one. Beautiful. These go up and you're going bop, bop. Oh, the injectors spray directly into the...
These are the secondary injectors. Primary injectors are down here.
There's 8 injectors on this bitch?
Yeah. There's on a lot of modern fuel injector bikes.
You know we're gonna have to go to O'Reilly's too, right?
For what?
You'll find out.
Oh.
Yeah!
Are you sure they're gonna have what you need?
Just the air intake black off. Where's the temp sensor at? It had to be in the box, no?
It's in the box.
What's in the box? So we got the airbox off. Art went to go get a cap for the airbox. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start wrapping this thing. 30 feet of gold tape. Hopefully I only need one so I can return the other, but better be safe than sorry, and I wasn't sure how much we needed. So let's get to wrapping. Honestly, there's a lot of crevices to wrap. The main thing that's gonna matter is the bottom, since the heat's coming from the engine underneath versus not much on the top. Woohoo! Look at that. Where do I start, dude? This is probably the one that makes the most difference right here. This is definitely taking a lot longer than I expected. All the little pieces and cutting and stuff like that and peeling, that probably took the longest, is separating the two, but it's almost been 2 hours and it's not as clean as I would have liked, but I think I'm in a good state now. I'll probably give it another glance over to get maybe a couple of more bigger sections, but dude, this took way longer than needed. If I was chilling at home on the couch, I wouldn't mind taking that long. It looks kind of cool, looks kind of janky in some spots, but let's get ready to throw this back on the bike. Hand me some screws, brother. It looks pretty ghetto. In some areas.
You don't even look at this when you're riding the bike.
All right, while Art zip ties that, I was hoping this was gonna be a more scientific test because he said there's an air intake sensor inside, but it's actually just the ambient sensor on the outside.
Sure.
We thought there was an air intake sensor in here, but there's not. So this is actually not as scientific as I thought it was gonna be, so we just did something cool. But we will use the Snap-on tool to see the heat difference, but plus 5 horsepower for gold tape.
Oh yeah.
Since you could see the gold through the little gas tank vents, the only part I skipped was not tape. 10 blade stat. All right, now it's officially done. Now we can put those tubes back. Air intake temperature, 80.6.
5 hours later.
Start it up. 73.4 at the 3-minute idle. We're at 5 minutes. It's still at 73.4, unchanged. So after 5 minutes, we're at 70, 77. And I think I was at 87 earlier.
I think so.
So the temps did go down, but so did the outside temperature because we took our time doing it, and we didn't do a post-test ride since there's no sensor in the airbox like we thought, so it's hard to say if the gold tape really did anything. But in my book, I would definitely do it again. I think some is better than none. It was pretty fun to do, and I think the gold looks cool through the vent and through the side of the bike. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.